So the lesson 2, or sorry, unit 2, lesson 6 practice. This one says if x is a solution to the equation 2x minus 5 equals 15, select all the equations that also have x as a solution. So at first, when I looked at this earlier, I thought maybe I could put in any number for the x, but then I realized that doesn't make any sense. What you had to do was solve this given equation for x, and then see if that solution still applies to the other one. So in that case, solve this for x. Always start with what's farther from the x. So what's farther, the 2 or the 5? And how can I make that minus 5 cancel out? So I need to do that. Add 5 to both sides, and for some reason, always in this class, my pen starts to suffer. All right, but let me take a screenshot of this actually. Okay, hold on. Okay, so first you need to solve it for the x. So we already said to cancel out the minus 5, you need to add 5. And then whatever you do on one side of the equal sign, you have to do to the other. What property is that right now, by the way? The addition. There's a lot of addition properties, but this one's the addition property of equality. So when you do things to both sides of the equal sign, it's a property of equality. So then there's that cancels out this minus 5. Then I have 2x on the left. On the right, what's 15 plus 5? Opposite of multiplying by 2 would be. So then we'll do that on each side. What property is that? The division property of equality. So then do that. You see that x equals 10. So for it to be an answer, we're selecting all the equations that also have 10 as a solution. So see if it makes sense. Is 2 times 10, 10? So pick that one. Is 2 times 10, 20? So pick that one. You're plugging in 10 for all the x's, including if it's true. Then if I plug it in here, what's 10 minus 5? And then 5 times 2, is that 15? Don't pick that one. 2 times 10 is what? 20, and then it's 20 minus 20, 0. Pick that one. 4 times 10 is what? And then minus 10, is that 30? So take that one. And then down here, I have a negative 2 times 10 with that. Plugging in the 10 here was negative 2 times 10. And then what is 5 minus 20? Is that going to be 15? It would be a negative 15, not positive 15. So then don't pick that one. So for this one, it should just be those 3, and there might be shuffled, so pay attention. But yeah, that's how we do that one. So then the other one that's really similar to that one, I won't show you the answers for the other one, but it's really similar to this one. You have to solve it for x first, and then see which ones also have the same solution. That would make them equivalent. So questions on others from the practice? All right. Okay, so that one I'll save for like as you try, because this one, that one's really similar to this one. So it's the same process. Solve that equation for x, and then see what other equations have the same value for x, and if it's
an answer, then you'll be able to plug it in and have it give you something that's true. All right, any other questions? That one I'll leave as a you try, and then if you're still having trouble with it, do that, it's the number one. Okay, then, yes, I'll make sure to put that in. Other questions from the practice? For now. For now. Okay, so then if you're still struggling with the other one that looks really similar to this one, it's just a different equation. Then definitely try that. If you're still struggling with it, then we can definitely look at it, but I want you to try it first, know that you can